Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be doing some surf and turf. So we've picked up a beautiful rump steak. We're going to keep it simple and just season it with some salt, pepper, garlic. And we're going to be using a piece of black wattlewood from Natural Smoke because we're going to be reverse searing it. So we'll waste no more time and we'll get stuck into it. Alright, so we're going to be using the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler. And what we're going to do, take these grill grates off. We've got about 10 ashed over briquettes. Dump them in the side there. The thing I love about the Rambler is it's got adjustable cooking height. So if you want to get that nice sear, you can bring it up. But to start with, we're going to keep it nice and low because we want to smoke it. So get our smoking wood, just pile them up in the side a bit more. Put our smoking wood on. Put our grates back in. We'll close our lid. We'll open up our top vent and our side vent completely. And we'll wait till we get about to the 175 to 200 range. And then we'll start shutting down our side vent and stabilise it off at about that 275 to 300 range during the smoke. Alright, so while we're waiting for our smoker to come up to temp, we'll give our steak a season. Just brought the steak out for half an hour out of the fridge, just so it comes up to room temperature so it cooks a bit more even. Alright, so our smoker's just about at its target temperature. Stabilised off nicely since we've closed that side vent down to almost shut. With that nice, clear, thin smoke coming out, so it's time to get our steak on. Alright, so we're going to cook our steak until it reaches an internal of about 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to get it out for a rest. While it's resting, we're going to lift our charcoal grate right up. We'll top it up with some nice red hot briquettes and we'll finish our steak off for about a minute each side with a really hot sear. And we're going to cook our prawns and then I'll show you how to do the creamy garlic sauce to go with it. So we'll come back soon. Alright, so our steak's had a nice rest for 10 minutes. The Rambler is set up for a nice hot sear. So we're going to start by cooking our steak. Like I said, we'll give it about a minute, maybe even 90 seconds aside until we get about that 130 internal mark. Then we're going to cook our prawns and do this garlic sauce. Alright, so the steak's done, just set that aside. Now it's time to cook our prawns. I've just got some small banana prawns, they're raw, so they're just going to take about 2 minutes each side, so we'll get them on now. Alright, now the prawns are done, set them aside. Now the final part is our garlic sauce, so we'll get that going now. Alright, so you can do all of this inside, but we might as well do it all out here while I'm on the barbecue. So I've just got a little cast iron pot. I'll put about a tablespoon of butter in that and wait till it melts down nicely. Alright, so now our butter's nice and melted and bubbling away. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want. Probably use about 4 cloves for this. Stir that, let it go for about a minute until it's nice and fragrant. Right, and then now we're going to add some flour to just thicken it up a little bit. So you want it to basically go to a paste consistency. And what we're going to do now is lower our charcoal grate, just so it drops down to about a medium to low heat. Alright, so now that's a pasty sort of consistency. I'm going to stir through some cream. I've got about 3/4 of a cup here, but we might not use it all. Just going to stir it in bit by bit. You don't want to be doing this part over the high heat, otherwise your cream will split. So that's looking like a pretty nice consistency. A touch more. Now we're going to add a little bit of pepper. A pinch of parsley. If you want a really nice big garlic hit, add a pinch of this stuff. It's unbelievable. Now we're ready to serve. That's the end of the video, guys. I'm going to go finish this. If you've got any questions, ask them in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching, we'll see you next time. Cheers.